In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Slack, enabling a seamless workflow between your task management and communication platforms. To start with, open Slack on your desktop or the web platform. As soon as you're in, glance over to the sidebar where you'll find an option labeled Apps. Click on this, and you'll be greeted by a search bar. Here, you'll want to type in Trello. This will pull up the Trello app for easy access. Now let's move on to installation. Once you found Trello in the app directory, go ahead and click Add to Slack. You'll need to be signed into your Trello account for the integration process to proceed. If you're not signed in already, simply enter your credentials and log in. After signing in, you'll see a prompt asking you to authorize Slack to access your Trello boards. This is crucial for the integration to work seamlessly, so be sure to grant the needed permissions. Next, we'll connect specific Trello boards to the appropriate Slack channels. In any Slack channel where you'd like Trello notifications to appear, type the command /Trello link. You'll be prompted to select the Trello board you want to connect, and from there, choose the Slack channel that will receive these updates. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure you're always in the loop with Trello activity. Once the boards are linked, head over to Configuring Notifications. Within Slack, you have the flexibility to decide how detailed these notifications should be. For example, you may choose to be alerted when a card is created, moved, commented on, or when due dates change. To adjust these settings, simply use the command /Trello settings within any channel where you want to modify your notification preferences. Additionally, you can manage Trello directly from Slack with a series of handy commands, eliminating the need to switch back and forth between platforms. For instance, the command /Trello add card name helps you add a new card to one of your boards instantly. If you need to assign someone to a card, use /Trello assign user. Want to comment on a card without leaving Slack? Just type /Trello comment card message. Finally, to explore more about how you can interact with Trello using Slack, type /Trello help. This will provide you with a list of all available commands, putting the entire Trello toolbox right at your fingertips in Slack. With these instructions, you'll have a fully integrated setup in no time, making the management of tasks and communication as efficient as possible. Enjoy this newfound synergy between Trello and Slack.